crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Shimmerz Paints April Color Kitz. And let me just tell you, this kit is gorgeous. Now if you decide to place an order on the Shimmerz Paints website, if you add my name, Melissa Minor, to the comments section, Shimmerz will send you a free paint. All right, let's go ahead and get to unboxing this kit. Now the first thing I have here are the paints, and I'll get into those in just a moment because I want to swatch those for you so you can see all the gorgeous colors. Included, you can add a bonus bundle. So the bonus bundle comes with these beautiful sequins, and this month it has these really pretty like clay flowers, and then there's yellow and green and iridescent sequins. I'm hoping you can see all the different variety of sequins that you can get. So if you add the bonus bundle to your order, you get the sequins and then you get this paint. This is the Giddy About Green-Inklingz, and the inklings are very, very shiny, really pretty. All right, first let's start with the ephemera pack. So there are so many pieces of ephemera and the Shimmerz Paints color kits. So here's some right here. We've got lots of different florals. So we've got the really pretty blues and the yellows and the oranges. And then we have a few carrots. So I think we have 3 carrots here. And then here's some more flowers. I love the kit this month that it has so many flowers. There's a heart. There's like a little file tab. We've got some words. So we've got Hello Spring we could use as a title. We've got this fun design here. More florals, lots of florals. Here is another tab in a different color. Then we've got a little picture scene here. We've got April on a file tab, exclamation mark, every moment matters. And then we've got this one, God made rainy days so gardeners could get it all done, I believe is what it says. We've got a journaling spot. We've got spring cleaning. Some more florals, so pretty. And then we've got this really pretty pink tree and a few more florals here in blue, yellow, and pink. Then I love that you get these dots. So these are epoxy dots. We get a sunshine, the word spring, and a ladybug. This month also included are some puffy stickers, and you can see here some really pretty tiny florals that'll be nice to embellish pages with. We also received a coloring sheet, and you can see here are rain boots. We've got an umbrella, we've got a sunshine, some florals, lots of pretty things. And then let's take a look at the paper. So this is a really pretty blue with this design on the back and then florals on one side. We've got the yellow florals, then this pattern. And then look at all these pretty ladybugs and all the different colors in the kit. And we've got this blue fun stripe. We've got this green stars, and look at these cute little chicks. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. Some orangey colored florals, and then like a grid paper. This will be neat. We've got some pink polka dots, large and small, and then a flower coloring sheet. And then here we've got lots of different colors of the polka dots, and then a frame here. That's a really pretty frame. Florals on a blue background, and then we've got little tiny carrots, and then we've got hippity hoppity and some green and white butterfly papers. So that's a look at all the papers in the kit. Now let's take a look at all the paints you receive. So the first thing I want to do is I want to activate that inkling. So I'm going to spray a little bit of water in there just so that can sit and get ready. So the first paint that we have here in the color kits, and you can buy the paints individually as well if you don't get the full color kits. There's lots of different options on the website, so you'll have to be sure to check it out. This first one is called Orange Sherbet, and it's a Shimmerz, so it has lots of shimmer and shine in it. And I love this color. This one is called Pip-Pip Cheerio, and this is a Shimmerz, so again, a really shiny paint. That's like a mix between a pink and a purple. Love that. And then this is a Vibez. So this is called mustard seed. So with these, you want to tip them upside down and then twist, twist, twist to mix the color up. And this is a really vibrant yellow. I'm really excited about this one. Now, these next couple colors, these are brand new. So this is called Wee Bit O' Green, and this is a shimmer. So again, lots of shine, and this is a brand new color. So you'll definitely want to add this to your collection. Really pretty. And then the next one here, we've got Born to Be Blue-Coloringz. And again, this is a new one. Oh, wow. This is super pretty. So I love that. And these come in sprays. That one came in a spray, but I am just dipping my paintbrush in it so you can see the colors. And then this one is what's included in the bonus bundle, and this is called Giddy About Green, and it is an Inklings. And there we go. So here's a look at all the paint colors after they've dried a little bit. They're not fully dry, but they're mostly dry. And I want to hold this up to the camera. I feel like the videos do not give the paint justice. You know, it's so pretty in person and you don't really pick up on that shine very much on the camera. So here I'm trying to show you just a little bit on what that looks like. And let me show you this one. Now the Inklings is like super, super shiny. So that is a look at the color kits. You'll have to leave me a comment and let me know which is your favorite color in the kit this month. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!